Chapter. We're in London, in Kingly Court.
And it's pizza time.
Let's go.
Kingly Court is a 3-story alfresco food and dining destination located near Carnaby Street. It is home to 21 different restaurants, bars and cafes. The covered courtyard offers great shade and is pretty handy when the weather changes. You are spoiled for choices in terms of cuisine. For example, how many restaurants can you spot? Rum Kitchen offers flavors from the Caribbean. Oka brings Pan-Asian dishes and sushi to your plate. Good Egg gives you a taste of Middle Eastern food. Dirty Bones goes all out American style. Darjeeling Express invites you to delicious Indian cuisine. The Life Goddess makes homestyle grilled dishes. Le Bab serves you kebabs but with a twist. Whyte and Brown knows its chicken recipe. Stax Diner is also serving American dishes. Shoryu takes you to Japan with a tasty ramen. When wandering around Kingly Court, make sure to check out the upper floor to access all of these venues. But for today, we decided to eat at Pizza Pilgrims.
So I'm having a double pepperoni pizza in a double fermented dough and double cheese. So let's check this. Ooh, watch this. Oh, it looks messy. We should rename the channel to Messy Food. That's not good. It's very pepperoni. The dough is very, and the it's a bit soggy. Cheese is good. I don't know if you can see that. That's one of the extra cheese balls. It's good. Pepperoni is very salty though. Flicking everywhere, and yeah, it's messy, but you know what? It's missing that little something. Let's say chili oil. Yeah, nicely drizzled in chili oil. Oh. Now we're talking. Spicier, messier, better. Let's try the dough. Just a press. Not too chewy, a bit crunchy, a bit crispy. Decent dough. Lovely.
For my pizza, I've ordered an Aubergine Parmagiana, so you can see a lot of nice aubergine, a nice piece of cheese. The Parmigiano is all over the place, a nice ripened tomato. This looks really appetizing. So a different school of thought for pizza. Are you more like a fork and knife person, or maybe a folder, or more like just handle the pizza like that? I think I'm more like a holder, but for that pizza, I think folding might be the way to go. So let's try some. Wow. It's kind of a slopey pizza. Ooh. Let's have a bite. Very cheesy. That mozzarella. Very nice. And the Parmigiano on top. If you love cheese, then you definitely get this one.
Outside.
It's very good. I would say this is almost vegan, but not really just because of the cheese, but you know, aubergine tastes pretty good. Floppy. No, it's fine. It's cheese. Everybody loves cheese. This is a good vegetarian option because if you're not really into the pepperoni one or the meatier one, this one is a good choice. I think the aubergine replaces the meat very well, and the texture, you know, Not too far off, not too far off. The fact that they are charred and nicely cooked just adds that little touch. Tomatoes are really juicy as well. Very nice. I really like these smaller potatoes. I really like these smaller tomatoes because I think they are like juicier, sweeter as well. So definitely recommend that one. But I think Jan is right. You need to add a little kick to it. Let's spice things up with nice chili oil. You think it couldn't get sloppier, but that doesn't help, does it? But hey. Are very nice. I really like that extra kick. All the time, any food, extra chili oil never hurts. It's raining chili oil. To be fair, I'm folding the pizza, but feel free to use your fork and knife too, because for this case, I think it's kind of recommended. Make sure to check out Pizza Pilgrims' website. They actually tell you how to eat it, so you know. Crust or no crust? What do you prefer?
That's it for today's Yum Yum adventure, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. We sure did enjoy our pizzas at Pizza Pilgrims. If you're shopping around central London, we totally recommend that you come and grab a bite in King Court. There's so much choice for you to enjoy. See you later.
Bye! Thanks for watching this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like and let us know how we did in the comments below. Consider subscribing to our channel to not miss our next adventures. We post a new video every Wednesday.